He's pretending that he's starring in Monsters, Inc. and surrounding himself with doors this morning. Cody Stark and the Caravan live in Rockland this morning. Hey, Cody.
Gather round, everybody. Let me tell you the story. Let me tell you the story of my doors. Let me tell you the story. So one day, Caroline Stark said, we need to get some new doors in our house. They look really gross. We got to do this thing. And she goes, I made an appointment with this company, One Day Doors. She says, you go to dinner. And I said, can't I just click on something? And she's like, no, you got to go down to the showroom. They got to talk to us about things. I did not want to come here, Dave. I did not.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I did not want to come here. But once they got me here, I was like, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my whole entire life, and I could not stop talking about it. So I talked you into doing a live shot with us. Tell us a little bit about the concept of what you guys do.
Well, really the concept is allowing us to completely transform the look of somebody's house within a few hours with no messy construction. And we do that with our revolutionary technology, and we'll show you a little bit here and then probably a little bit later today back in the shop.
The automation of the shop is so cool. Okay, so you come in, you sit down, you guys tell us a little bit about, the difference between your doors and other kinds of doors. So if you have never bought doors for your house before, when you buy a door, it's usually like this square thing. It may or may not fit the house that you're in, probably not, and the whole bit. So you guys have a special way of measuring.
We do, yeah. We have advanced technology where we measure each and every opening because there's no square opening. So the myth is you can just go down to a home improvement store, buy a door, plug it in. Absolutely doesn't work.
That is a lie. It is a total lie. Okay, so this is the groovy machine. They'll show up at your house and they will measure each door frame. So basically you're measuring the negative space, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. We pick up the geometry, so even if the door jamb is bowed, which they all are, we pick up all those imperfections so we can custom make a door to fit that opening. Yeah.
Now this is the magic wand thing.
This is the magic wand thing. Yep. Yeah. So we just take the magic wand, go around the door, pick up the geometry, and voila, we have a new custom door after we've custom manufactured it on the back end.
So they will send this information to another robot someplace that works on making the individual door that will fit your house.
Correct, yeah. Every door is unique, so every door needs to be custom made.
Yeah, that's a problem that we were having in our house because everything's bowed. Yeah, it's like an older house and stuff like that. Okay, so we are going to take you in and show you the automation process. And I'm telling you, it will blow your mind. It's a lot like Monsters, Inc. This is the first time you heard this?
Not at all. No.
Everybody comes here and goes, it's like Monsters, Inc., man. It's cool. If people want to get a hold of you, what do they need to do?
Go to our website, onedaysacramento.com, and they'll see all of our designs and read more about us.
Fantastic. And this thing I want to add, you guys are like the premier door makers in America right now. You guys are putting out some doors.
Yeah, we are the largest and we like to say the best, but we also have the highest customer satisfaction in the entire country for what we do.
Very cool. Very cool. Okay, we're going to show you the automation process and find out why they're so big in the door industry. All right, out here at Rockland. That's amazing to me. It's all over the country. All right, back to you guys in the studio.
Cody, to your point, I once had to fit a door to the opening in our house, and I'm not exaggerating. 9 trips to Home Depot, at least, over a period of 2 days.
Yep.
It was so hard.
Yep.
So hard.
It sounds simple, but it is not.
No,
it's not simple at all.
Those openings are not square.
We've made our way back. Dave, come on over, man. So tell the folks at home where we are right now.
Yeah, we're in the cutting department where we have 5 CNC machines where every door is custom made to fit the jambs.
All right, so they've sent the measurements that you and I made earlier, that we made. You notice how I'm just kind of on your coattails. And then that information gets sent to this machine, the ProMaster 7123.
You got it, yeah. So what you'll see here is every door is going to be custom made to fit the jamb that we measured it for. Hinges, lock sets, everything is precisely put into place. And this is really what allows the quick installation. We basically have taken a home improvement from 2 to 3 weeks with a lot of massive construction down to literally a few hours because of this.
Of course, the most important question is, can I press the button?
Absolutely.
All right, I get to press the button.
I feel like we need music for this.
Okay.
Oh, there it goes.
There it goes. All right, and it's working. That was some good button pressing, right?
Absolutely. Best I've seen. Yeah.
You're a natural.
I'm employee of the month.
Yeah.
Okay, so this will come through, and it will do the precise measurement. So when this door leaves this spot, what happens next?
After we custom make the door, then we send the doors to our prep department and our paint department, which is really the finishing touch for everything that we do. And the paint is really the first thing that people see and touch when they have their new doors.
Now, here's a little behind-the-scenes thing, and I hope you don't mind me sharing this with people at home. Dave doesn't even look at the doors. You just walk by and you put your hand in the doors to make sure they're smooth and ready to go?
It's all about the touch. Absolutely, yeah. A good paint finish, good quality product. You should be able to feel it.
Fantastic.
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to take this door from the ProMaster 7123.
Whoa, that thing moved.
And then we're going to get it all buttoned up and everything, and then we're going to paint it. For that, I would have messed up that cut myself, quite honestly. All right, we'll show you the whole process coming up. Back to you.
I like that.
When one door closes, another one opens up. But that can be tricky if the door doesn't fit properly.
Cody is live in Rockland, checking out a local shop that customizes doors to fit your house with precision.
Hi, Sully.
That's right, and they are in Rockland, but you guys are nationwide. I mean, you guys are the door people.
Correct. We have 35 locations across the country.
That is crazy. I had no idea you guys were located here.
Yep. Yeah, we've been here for about 6 years now.
Huh. I need to be a better neighbor, because I'm just down the street from you, man.
Absolutely.
Okay, so Dave, tell us where we're at right now. What's going on in the process?
Yeah, so this is the paint process, and this is often overlooked, but it's probably, in my opinion, the most important piece, because if you think about it, the paint is the first thing people see. You as a homeowner or your friends or neighbors who come over, it's the first thing they see and the first thing they touch. So this is absolutely the most important piece.
Yeah, and at my house, they saw those doors and they're like, "Ew, what's wrong with you?" And now they don't. They go, "You fancy."
You were judged for sure. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so we've come through. He's sanding it down. It rides on this little conveyor belt, and it keeps going down this way. So we want to walk down, kind of show them the cooking process. So this is a very precise temperature that you have to use when it goes through this heating element.
Absolutely, yeah. So it has 4 different elements where we gauge the temperature, and it has to be brought up to a certain temperature to cure properly, and it leaves a very smooth finish and something pretty durable.
It's amazing. How long does it take to dry? That doesn't seem like a very long amount of time, Dave.
No, it's only about 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Is it really?
Yeah, and that's dry to the touch.
Do you ever bring your laundry down here, just kind of dry it out real quick?
Not yet, but it's a good idea.
That's what I'm here for, Dave. That's what I'm here for. Okay, so we've got the paint. Now they're coming through this little oven. They get cooked really quickly. And then what happens after this?
After the doors are dried, then we take them to the inspection table here and inspect them, make sure that they're near perfect.
Is that when Dave walks by and sees they're smooth or not, just touches them?
That's when I do it, yeah. It's not about just a look, it's also about the feel.
Look at that. He's feeling it right there. He's feeling it right there. If people want to get in touch with you guys, what do they need to do?
Yeah, just go to our website, onedaysacramento.com.
Fantastic, fantastic. Did I lie to you guys? It's just like Monsters Inc. in here.
Like
Isn't this cool?
Inc.
Very cool. Very cool.
It is so cool.
I agree. Just like
Thanks, Doorman. We are always looking for ideas to send Cody's Caravan and pay a visit, so email those ideas to us. Good day at kmaxtv.com. Put Cody's Caravan in the subject line. He's looking for places.